So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Bank of America stock, ticker symbol BAC in Canada on Wealthsimple. So once you're into the Wealthsimple account, go into your trading account, go to the bottom and press on the magnifying glass. Then on this screen, go to the top to where it says discover and press on the discover bar here. Now, simply just search up ticker symbol BAC for Bank of America. Then on this screen, you have a bunch of different options here, a bunch of different ticker symbols. We want to go where it says Bank of America Corp right here. So the second option, and press on that right there. Now on this screen, it actually says it's trading for $29.08 American, but regardless, just press on buy and press on stocks. Then on this screen, if you want to do a fractional buy, you can do a fractional buy. You can also do a market buy, a limit buy, a stop limit buy, whatever you so choose. Then go, so if I wanted to do $5, for example, I'll press on $5, then press continue. And then to confirm your purchase, go to the bottom, press on confirm order, and there you go. That is how you guys can buy Bank of America stock, ticker symbol BAC in Canada on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helped.